but here are the general steps you can follow. Prepare your workspace. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. Lay down some paper towels or a cutting board to help keep things tidy. Gut the fish. Hold the fish firmly by its head, then use a sharp knife to make a small cut along the belly. Use your fingers or a spoon to scoop out the innards, taking care not to rupture the gallbladder. Rinse the cavity thoroughly under running water. Scale the fish. Hold the fish by its tail, then use a knife or scaler to remove the scales from the body of the fish. Start at the tail and work your way towards the head, making sure to remove all the scales. Remove the head. If desired, you can remove the head of the fish by cutting it off just behind the gills. This can be done before or after gutting and scaling the fish. Rinse and dry the fish. Rinse the fish thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining scales or debris. Pat the fish dry with paper towels. Note, the exact cleaning process may vary depending on the type and size of the fish, so it's always a good idea to look up specific instructions for the type of fish you are cleaning.